Over from the O'Henry Hotel shows how we've had so much sunshine. So beautiful out there. Also from Teresa Willie, look at what she caught yesterday. This is up in Allegheny County. Incredible view of the airplane and the moon. Yes, sliding in place just for that perfect picture. Thank you to Teresa for sending that to us. Mountain power outages are possible now as we talk about your high wind warning. That's going to last through noon tomorrow in the mountains. Most likely frost for us on Monday morning. And this is including the Triad. This is because we're going to see those winds drop off, the clear skies, the cold air, it's all in place. Morning frost continues for Tuesday before we gradually warm up. Here's the moisture that rolled east this morning. And then the clouds clearing out as the cold front is now pushing east. Your temperatures typically this time of the year closer to the upper 60s to near 70. Instead today got all the way up there to 68 degrees. Not quite to 70 today. That's okay though. It was beautiful by the afternoon hours. The winds have continued to increase and we're going to notice that the winds are gusty as we head through early morning. Along with that, very cold air is arriving behind this front. You're at 66 degrees in Winston-Salem through Greensboro, 67 in Lexington. We're at 55 in Galax, and that's where you have some very strong wind gusts going on right now at about 25 miles an hour. Those gusts are only going to get stronger, and this is where we have high wind warnings in place through tomorrow. This means we could see some gusts to 40 miles an hour, even 50. Higher elevations are more susceptible. We also may have a chance to have some of those high-profile vehicles having accidents on the interstate highways where those winds are kind of funneled right through those mountain valley locations. And look at this, you can see frost and freeze concerns. In addition now, we've added Davie County to that freeze watch. That'll go into place too for a Monday morning. Here for Sunday morning as we go up into the mountains, we have all that cold air. Even with the winds, it doesn't always help us from keeping too cold, and that's where we have those alerts on for your time frame overnight through about 6 through 9 a.m. Gradually, we drop off those concerns by noon as high wind warnings drop off and the winds begin to relax just a little bit. Gusts still to 30 miles an hour throughout the day. 32 degrees near freezing there to about 46 later in the afternoon. 38 degrees in the foothills. You've got alert days most of the afternoon for those winds and cool air across the Triad, so be ready for it. You're seeing temperatures reaching near 54 degrees in the foothills to near 55 in the Triad. Those winds gradually relaxing as we head into late afternoon and early evening, so it gets a little bit better, but it's still going to be blustery by anyone's count. So 55 degrees is going to feel a lot cooler. We're going to notice that our forecast wind gusts are anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour for folks in the mountains as we go through early morning on Monday. As the winds back off, that's going to be a problem for us because we've got morning lows down into the 30s with patchy frost possible across the Triad. We'll likely see some frost advisories come up for you in those freeze watches up now for folks in Davie County as well. Impact days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It gets a little bit warmer Tuesday afternoon before we cool you back down. Notice late week, another little chill back in the air with 50s and morning lows in the 30s.